We purchased the first machine in 2014 and have bought a total of 11 hands machines since then. Our company is called Shanxi China Machinery Co. Ltd. located in Weinen. We bought the first machine in 2014, reordered in 2020 by two 4 kilowatt and two 8 kilowatt and two 3 kilowatt robots plus a 20,000 watt flat laser. It's 11 hanslaser units in total equipment for the two branches. Our business is sheet metal processing that covers excavator, cranes, loaders, tower cranes, mining machines, mining trucks, fuel tanks, and sheet metal parts, and etc. We used to manufacture part by modeling and stamping with dies. The cost of tools and dies is quite high, and we are limited to produce specific parts by tools. If you are using a fiber laser cutter, you will benefit a lot from its diverse production and cost, saving with best ROI. The key customers in Weinen are Zoomlion, Tongli Heavy Industry, Baron Printing, Hangzhou Shen Steel, and Chengdu Shen Steel. We process the excavator's door frame, bottom plate, and bulkhead, and so on. Generally, thin plate parts do not need finishing, thick plate only need finishing. The cutting thickness depends on the laser power, basically. 8 kilowatts of general cut, less than 8 mirrors, because we are using air cutting, 20,000 watts, no more than 14 millimeters. The process is first from the raw material back and then divided into thickness, and then began to process the cutting. Cutting is bending after molding, stamping, and then a combination of tooling welding, welding after polishing, throwing, and then to the workshop condensation, and then spray paint. This set of processes down to a one-stop service, one-stop processing. The precision of laser cutting machine normally requires plus C 0.1 millimeter before, and higher standard applied with plus C 0, 5 millimeter or plus of it. There are many laser companies existed on the market. We have used lots of different brand laser machine. To be honest, Hans laser equipment suits all aspects requirement of cost efficiency and product quality. So we choose Hans laser. I hope your company is doing better and better and making great progress, and wishes all the best to our industry.